Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how to get a fast delivery on Temu. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, open your Temu app and log in into your account. Once you're in, browse the item you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Alright, so when you're ready to check out, go to your cart and review your item. Normally, you want to look for the shipping option and select expedited or express shipping for faster delivery. However, if you don't see an express shipping option, here's what you can do. First, check if the item you are purchasing are eligible for express shipping. Some products or sellers may not offer this option, so consider choosing the item from the seller that do. So if the faster delivery is essential, you might want to reach out to Simmer customer supports to ask about the quickest available shipping method for your order. And that's it. I hope this video helps you to get your order faster, even if express shipping isn't available an option. Thanks for watching and good luck.